first McLaren Senna has been delivered to its owner in a unique and somewhat psychedelic white and blue paint scheme. We'll admit that we're not crazy about the way the McLaren Senna looks. We know its various vents, wings and scoops help make it one of the fastest production track cars on Earth, but we just can't get down with the way it looks. Senna chassis number 001, though, manages to draw attention away from the odd-looking bodywork with its great-looking blue and white paint scheme. Senna number 001 was delivered to London-based businessman David Kyte last week, who promptly took the vehicle on an 870-mile road trip with 3 other Sennas, a 720S and a 600 LT. The paintwork alone took more than 600 hours to complete, with 2 paint specialists devoting 2 weeks to taping the car before the white and MSO Aurora Blue livery was applied. It features the same 789 horsepower 4.0-litre V8 as other Sennas, which enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.8s and reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour. I committed to buying a McLaren Senna as soon as I became aware that McLaren was developing the car, so long before the name was confirmed. But leaving the McLaren Technology Centre after the handover ceremony was the first time I have actually driven one, Kyte said. Now, with 1,400 kilometers covered, I'm delighted to report that as someone who rates driver engagement as crucial to driver enjoyment, the Senna has more than exceeded my expectations. The original inspiration for the livery was to trace the way that the air flows over the body, but we decided on a more stylized design, with which I am absolutely delighted, he added. I also love the fact that there are features on the car that are almost hidden, such as the details honoring Ayrton Senna and the McLaren Speedy Kiwi on each side of what I am extremely proud to call my Senna.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.